Hello. Today's how-to example is going to discuss how you can take and update objects on a form while xbasic code is running in the background. For the purpose of this example, we're going to use the search dialog in the Take Charge software suite. So I click on my little menu button. I'm at the main screen. Down here at the bottom, I have Take Charge Search Manager. So I'm going to open that up. Here you go. Here's our search dialog. It allows us to set the folder that we want to search from, whether or not it's going to be the current folder selected only or subfolders as well. We can take and enter a search string or simply enter a name or part of a name using wildcards or an extension. In this case, we're just going to use the search string, and I'm just going to type in an extension, and I'm going to select a folder so that it doesn't run through the entire hard drive. So we'll come down here and we'll use the Take Charge Master folder. Now, when I click the search button, the information is going to update here on the screen. There you go. It shows the files that it's finding and then comes back and tells you the total count. So from this folder down, there are 60 DBF files. Pretty simple. Now, once I have this result, I can click Continue, and it'll display those files, which allows me to take and perform file utilities against them if I so choose. Copy, move, rename, email, delete, or zip the files, and then email them, whatever I choose. Or I can just exit and get out of there. Now let's look at how that was done. Here we have our code page. We start off by declaring two variables, path, which is going to be the path of that we choose for our folder to search, and then VSF, which is search from. The first thing we do is we make sure that the file name is consistent so that processing returns a consistent result. That's what's happening on this first if-else. Then down here we determine, did the user ask to search the current folder only or the current folder plus subfolders? If it's current plus subfolders, then we use the file find get recurse function to find the files that we want. Otherwise, we just use the for each function on the file find get. Once we have our list, we remove any blank lines if any were created. Typically it won't, but just in case. And then we take and we set a count of records found. Now we use the for each next function to take and find the results that are in our list. So here we're saying that we want to update text object number 4 with the name of the found file. So that would be name and extension. Then on the found count, we set it to found count equals found count plus 1. Now the second text box shows found and then the number converted to a string so that we can see how many results were actually found. xbasic wait for idle allows that information to update before it goes to the next item in the for each loop. That's all pretty simple. What we have down here is after it's done searching through the list, we go ahead and return a final message, which basically tells the customer to click continue to see their results. Here, what we've done is if no records are found, then it displays a pop-up dialog that basically tells the customer nothing was found and they can refine their search and try again. That's pretty much it. Let's take another look at it and we'll search for something else. So we click on the menu, the search manager. We're going to select our folder. We'll use the same folder since we know what's in there. Alright, and we're going to do the selected folder only this time. And we will search for DDDs, file extensions. And away it goes. There you go, we found 44 results. That's pretty much it for today's example. And just keep in mind, customers like to see what's going on while code is running in the background. This is an excellent way to do that without having to pop up an additional dialog that would show those results. Thanks very much, and as always, if you need any help with a custom application, we would be glad to help you. Contact us through our website or through the YouTube channel. Have a great day.